Here is IR number 5. Okay, once again, I got this online from somewhere. It's not mine. I didn't generate this, and I don't know the answer. Okay, so with this one, all right, I'm going to go ahead. So it's a different spectrum. So let's see, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 1500 about right here. So, and then my 2000. So here's my sp2 region. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's 5 for sp, and then everything else is our hydrogens. I do see something about 1700, so I'm suspicious that I have a carbonyl. I can go ahead and get rid of A and B because they don't have that. Also, I don't see that nice broad peak that would tell me there's an alcohol. I can get rid of C. Oh, no, I can't. Sorry. There is a carbonyl. Not that there's not. I can get rid of E. All right. So now I'm between an ester and a ketone. Okay. So this is actually very difficult to interpret because other than that carbonyl, there's nothing else that I would expect to see. Now, I have my hydrogens here, sure, but all of the hydrogens in both of these structures are on carbons that are sp3 hybridized. So that's not going to tell me a difference here. The only thing that I might look at is where that carbonyl peak is showing up. And so I can see if I zoom in that it is slightly above 1700. Even that's not very helpful. So with this one, this is actually very hard to figure out without going into the fingerprint region. So for the fingerprint region, I would look for the carbon-oxygen single bond. We did not teach you guys how to interpret fingerprint. So for us, and the purpose of this class, I would give you either another technique like an NMR, or I would give you mass spec, something like that to help you elucidate the difference between the ketone and the ester. Or I would give you a molecular formula or give you the mass to charge ratio so you can find the molecular formula. I might even give you, you could even use, if you knew the molecular formula, you could use degree of unsaturation, because this would have a degree of unsaturation equal to 2 because it has a ring and a carbonyl, whereas this one have a degree of unsaturation equal to 1. So with just IR, I would say it's extremely difficult to determine which one it is at this point. So that's my thought process for this one. I don't know based off what I have what it is. If I had to throw, I don't even want to tell you the guess because, like I said, we would give you more information than just this to distinguish between these two structures. All right, so yes, like I told you guys in class, there's not one technique that works for absolutely everything. So this is actually a very hard problem with what we're given.